Okay, so then once we have them all, we can then print them. So if I go to the first tab over here, and then I'm gonna print it using the cute PDF printer and the entire workbook. So now we've got the balance sheet over here just to look at it. And we've got then the income statement. I'm not saying it's formatted perfectly. I'm not like a professional formatter, but I'm just saying look at all the stuff we could do if you were like really good at formatting stuff. You know? That's what I'm trying to say. And then, so we're going to export it, and then we'll put it right here, reports. I'll just overwrite this one. All right, so now, instead of like giving someone all these reports, it's like, that's what lame bookkeepers do, man. What we do is we put it in like one PDF file and give it to you. And so it looks like this. And then, so again, it's not perfect formatting, but you could see, you could format it pretty nicely, right? If you knew what you were doing. So there's just a lot of options. Now, of course, doing that formatting takes more time, but you could see once you get good at it, it doesn't take a whole lot of time to format it if you wanted to. So that's just basically something to think about, Some options could make us stand out a bit. We want to stand out. Sometimes it's good to stand out. Other times when you stand out, you get smacked or whatever. It's like, oh, maybe I'll step back again. But no, we're going to stand out because we get things done over here, and so that's the general idea.